Let's talk about the worst hair products of 2021. If you're new to my channel and if you're not, welcome back. I'm Mike. I'm a hairdresser, a L'Oreal color specialist, a makeup fan and a skincare lover. In today's film, I will be talking about top 5 worst hair products of 2021. So if you want to find out what were the worst, the biggest Hypoderms of 2021, then you better keep on watching. What is the story, everyone? In today's film, we are talking about the worst, the biggest Hypoderm of 2021. And you guys, I am going to be very honest with you. I had to nearly be nitpicking the worst products of 2021 because we had so many amazing, brilliant launches in 2021. But if we have the best ones, there has to be some of the worst ones. So I picked out 5 that, let's say, I was not so impressed, and those products were launched in 2021 in Ireland. Because as we all know, you guys, the launch dates vary from country to country, from continent to continent. So now, you guys, the first product I will be talking about that was the absolute Hypoderm and a waste to launch was 11 Australia shampoo and a conditioner bar. Now, you guys, where do I even start? Now, I nearly feel like the whole bar shampoos and everything was a trend. And every brand just decided to jump on top of it. Let's do it. It's all in. And let's say 11 Australia just failed. I love 11 Australia. Their styling products are brilliant. But when it comes to the shampoo bar and the conditioner, that was just an absolute Hypoderm. I didn't like it when I reviewed it. It was hard to use. It just did not do what I wanted it to do. And you guys, I was actually very let down by it because I do like the brand. But overall, in 2021, I definitely think 11 Australia could have just skipped that launch and saved themselves some time. The next product I will be talking about that was launched in 2021, and for some of you and for regular viewers of mine, it will be a surprise, and that product is Algira El Cueratan by Kerastase, aka the cleansing clay. Now, you guys, I actually do not have that in my house at the moment, but the cleansing clay basically launched with the relaunch of Bandivolent, and Bandivolent by Kerastase is probably one of my favorite shampoos, and they also launched a mask, and the mask was beautiful. But the cleansing clay, now, you guys, right, Kerastase, they know what they're doing when it comes to hair care. And do I think that the cleansing clay is a bad product? I do not. Do I think it's necessary? I am not sure. Do I think it's gonna last on the shelves and is gonna be discontinued very soon? I definitely do. Now, we've had this product in my salon since it launched, and to be honest with you, it has not shifted. And why has it not shifted, and what's my whole ethos behind it? What's my view behind it? Why do I think it's the biggest Hypoderm? When it comes to people with oily hair, people want quick solution and easy solution. We do not want 3 different shampoos, 3 different masks, 3 different oils. If Kerastase said, right, let's make a cleansing clay that can be a daily shampoo for extremely oily hair, and then let's keep Bandivolent, because you should keep Bandivolent for normal to oily hair, I do understand it. But they brought this product out that it's a brilliant idea. It has clay, it removes a lot of dirt and buildup of the hair on the hair, but it's meant to be used every other wash, and I just feel like people would not end up buying it. Now, I do not feel like I would rebuy the product myself and reuse it and keep using it because I have oily hair. I think that Bandivolent itself would be enough. So when it comes to cleansing clay, from that point of view, I definitely think Kerastase failed me there, because it's a good product. However, it's very badly executed. The next Hypoderm of 2021 is Pantene Pro V Miracles Grow Strong. Now, you guys, I did review this very recently on my product, and when it comes to miracles, this is not a miracle. This is an absolute Hypoderm. And you guys, I must say I was very, very disappointed because like that we did see a launch of Hair Biology by Pantene and it was amazing. I was very shocked. I was very impressed. Pantene done something that they've never done before. So I says, right, they're kind of getting the point. They're getting hair care finally after all those years. They're understanding how to make good hair care, and then they brought this. There was an absolute Hypoderm. It's no different to any Pantene shampoos, and like the whole range was just a mess. The whole thing was just a mess. It didn't do anything. It's a waste of time, waste of money, waste of product, and it's an absolute heap of dirt. So the next product that I absolutely disliked in 2021 was Aveda shampoo bar. Here we go again with shampoos, and like I said, it definitely was a trend, and the only thing I'll say about Aveda one, it smelled nice. And have I touched it again? No, I have not. It's not easy to use. I don't know. They just don't do it for me. And Aveda being such a huge brand, I think they definitely could do better. But I definitely feel like they just jump on it. They said, we're going to make it. We're going to do it. And let's do it. And it was an absolute fail. And I just can't think that I just don't see this product actually lasting on the market. Even though I like the ethos of the shampoo bar, what it does, I think this shampoo bar is just a heap of dirt. But the only good thing about it is it does smell beautiful. Now you guys, the last product I will be talking about, I actually never reviewed on my channel, and I didn't review it for a reason, because it's not suitable for my hair type, and that product is Olaplex number 4P Blonde Shampoo. Now you guys, I did use this product in the salon. I've used it on people and I'm bored Olaplex, okay? And hear me out. It came out on the market, you swear the heavens opened up and something just fell on top. I mean, Olaplex, it's just a purple shampoo. I didn't find it any amazing. I definitely think Olaplex is a trend, and someone smart said once that trends are for the anxious. So everyone's like, oh my god, Olaplex has a purple shampoo. I need it and it's gonna be the best. I am just a bit bored of Olaplex trying to play up on what they done years ago. Bring out something better. The purple shampoo was not all that. There is better purple shampoos on the market, and for that Olaplex, I definitely think it's a heap of dirt, because it's not all that. I mean, it brought out a purple shampoo. I mean, it's a purple shampoo, and it doesn't vary any different to any other purple shampoo beside that it has Olaplex on it. And that's just my honest opinion. So you guys, when it comes to the worst products, the biggest heaps of dirt of 2021, like I said, it was very hard for me to pick because we had so many successful launches. I must say I was very disappointed with the shampoo bars, because like that, as we said, it was a trend, so every brand just jumped on it. Same with Olaplex. Oh my god, Olaplex is a trend. It has to be good. Pantene, it let me down, and so did Kerastase. And I do feel bad for Kerastase, because like I said, if they made a clay shampoo that was for an everyday use and done what Bandivalent done, but was with a clay, it would be just so much better. But when you have a product that's just meant to be used once a week, it's just not gonna work from a regular point of view. Do you know that kind of way? And you guys, do let me know in the comment section down below, what were the worst products you've used in 2021? What were the worst products you discovered in 2021, and what would you like to see in 2022? Anyways guys, thank you for watching today's film. I hope you found this film rather interesting, helpful and useful. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also check out my other social media, and of course you guys, please do what? Do take care. Bye.